Hi Fart Faces, it's Bev. Today we're going to be unboxing Shepherd's Cottage by Mandie Manzano from Diamond Art Club. It is an older kit, but I wanted to unbox it anyways, as this is probably one of the last kits I ever received from Diamond Art Club because my friend bought it for me and I haven't found any other Diamond Art Clubs that I really like. So let's unbox this. Before we get started, if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post diamond painting videos on a regular basis, and I wanted to show you I finished my Chuck Pinson. So here is the finished Chuck Pinson. It is called Simple Country from Diamond Art Club. I did it for the Chuck Along, and I'm excited because I finished it, and there's still a couple weeks or a week left in March, but it was a very long process. I got kind of burnt out because the colors are kind of neutral. There's nothing really exciting about the colors, but I think it turned out really nice, and I love this little house. Like, it was cool working on it and seeing things appear, like this little cat down here, seeing him appear out of nowhere. It was pretty neat. But let's get to the unboxing. So we have a round diamond painting kit, and here is the thumbnail. If I can get it without the glare. Focus camera. Okay. So it measures 73 by 55 centimeters, and again, it's by Mandie Manzano. Just open up the box here. Ooh. Okay. So pull out the canvas. What else is in the box? Let's drop everything out. We have a sticker that you get. You can put it on your box, put it in your logbook, whatever you want. I'm actually going to put it on the box right now. So when I store my Diamond Art Club, I know which one this is. That wasn't a very straight stick, but whatever. You also get this big sheet. It's a sticker sheet. Here's a big thumbnail of the picture. Isn't it pretty? It's so cute. And then here are the labels. If you order a new Diamond Art Club, they actually come with the labels that are perforated, so you don't actually have to cut them. But since this is an older kit, they are not perforated. But here, there's 44 colors, which is cool. And the symbols look really clear, as usual. So there's that. Here is your diamond painting kit. If you've never seen a Diamond Art Club kit before, let me just show it to you quickly. You get a clear tray, 2 hearts of wax, some baggies, a bunch of baggies actually, a diamond painting pen, a squishy for your pen, and you also get a 4-placer. So that's handy. Put this away. Now let's open up our kit. I'm excited. This one I've been eyeing for quite a while. It was on my wish list, and my friend has access to my Diamond Art Club account, so she could see my wish list, and then she bought it, and I got the points for it. That's like the best part, and I don't know why I'm cutting this because there literally is a flap to open this bag, but whatever. Here's the drills. We'll look at them in a minute. Here are step-by-step instructions, tips and tricks, how to diamond paint. So if you're new, these will come in handy. And then, yeah. Now let's take a look at the gorgeous canvas. I'm excited. I knew that this was going to be lots of color blocking with a little bit of confetti, which is amazing because that's the type of canvas that I love. Just going to roll it backwards really quickly so it sits flat. Here we go. That should stay flat. Wow, isn't it pretty? We have the Shepherd's Cottage here. A little lamb. He's so cute and fluffy. Here's the sun that's either sunning or rising. Some bushes, the mountains. Wow, this is so pretty. I love it. And so you can see there's a lot of color blocking in this kit, with some confetti down here and the flowers and whatnot. Oh, the lamb is like my favorite part of this painting. Seriously, seriously, so cute. Okay, I'm gonna take you on a tour of the canvas and then we'll take a look at the drills. Okay, so now that that's done, let's take a look at the drills. So again, there are 44 colors in here, and oh, let's see. There's one AB. 141 is going to be an AB, which is an Aurora Borealis. I'm not going to take out all of the drills. Well, will I? Should I? I don't know. Let's take a look and then I'll see if I should take them out or not. I just hate putting them back in the bag because I can never get them as perfect as they should be. And here's a look at a bunch of the colors. Wow, so pretty. Some oranges and reds, some greens. And here are the ABs. So this is the 141. And again, this is a round kit, so they're round drills. Here's the AB. I don't know if you can tell, but it does have that special coating on them to make them extra sparkly. Really nice. Let's see where the ABs go. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to take these out of this bag because I'm going to have trouble putting them back in the bag. So let's take a look to see where the ABs go. So the AB is the number 1. So here we have some in the cottage. Some in this bush here. Is it a bush? It looks like a bush. Some in the lamb, like the lamb is outlined with ABs. Some down here. Down here we have some. And in the sun we have some ABs. In these trees there's some ABs. In the sun rays in the sky there's some ABs. One AB right there, just one. One sole AB. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, and when I was pointing here, let's take a look at the canvas. So here's the sun. Sorry, I guess you couldn't see this in the previous frame, but here's the ABs, and then in the rays from the sun, there are some ABs here. And then some ABs up here. The canvas looks really clear. Here's the cottage. So some confetti, but look at how much color blocking is in the sky. Like, that's gonna be fun for me because I like color blocking. Well, I like a mixture, but I don't like pure confetti. And I feel like the Chuck Pinson painting was a lot of confetti. Like, that was way too much for me. We have the schematic on the left-hand side and we have the schematic on the bottom right. And overall, I really like this canvas. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. Do you have this one? I saw it completed and it looks amazing completed. And I just love this scenery. Like I've really been into special partial diamond paintings and kind of landscape scenery images lately. And I love this one. I don't have a lot of Mandie Manzanos, but this one I just had to get. Had to get it. And the lamb. Okay, can we talk about how cute this lamb is? Look at the little baby. Look at him. Okay, I'm done. So that is Shepherd's Cottage by Mandie Manzano from Diamond Art Club. What are your guys' thoughts on it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, go ahead and click subscribe. I upload new videos on diamond paintings on a regular basis, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, thanks. Bye!